What's up everyone, how you guys doing? In today's video I'll show you how to type the @ on a PC. So let's get started. So basically there are 3 ways to do it, and the first one is by holding shift and then pressing on number 2, and you'll have it right here just like that. So you're gonna press on shift then number 2. And the second way is by pressing and holding on shift and then this dot right here. And yeah, that was pretty easy. So for the third way, what you want to do is go to settings, and then you have to press on time and language. Then you go to language, and then you have to add a language. So you press here, and then you type US, and yeah, it will be right here. You're just gonna press on it like this and then next, and then you have to install it. But because I have it already, so it's gonna be down there. So you're gonna press on the US keyboard, and then you go back and hold on shift then number 2. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope it helps you guys, and take care.